Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show Continue Shopping section in Opera browser. So how to show Continue Shopping section in Opera browser? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here it is in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here it is in the browser menu. Then tap to show Continue Shopping section. This feature displays the Continue Shopping section in the Opera browser to make it easier for users to continue shopping from previously visited sites. So that's it, the How to Show Continue Shopping section in Opera browser tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.